Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. Today, I'm gonna bring in the Rhino Cart all-terrain mover. So this is good for, I actually bought this for my work. I'm gonna be moving a lot of boxes, but I'm borrowing it for today to move this huge arcade. This is actually about 300 plus. I actually bought another product, try to see if I could move it, and it was kind of impossible. It kind of failed on me. It came with a crowbar, the other one. This one, we're gonna see how this one works. I'm gonna try to see if we could get this whole unit system embedded in here and how easy it is to move this at least forward and back and readjust it. So if you guys are gonna look for something like this, and it has a fridge, that's why this is heavier than the fridge, to be honest with you. I had a lighter fridge, is more lighter than this thing. This is it's all wood. It's not solid wood, but it's heavier than solid wood actually. So if you guys ever own an arcade, you know how heavy they are. Then I had to take that sucker off because that thing was heavy as it is. We're doing it without that. So let's go ahead and put this to the use, and hopefully this won't fail us. All right, and if it does, then you'll see it here first. All right, this is it, guys. It's very simple. It rolls out. You have to tilt this back first, tuck this in, put the weight in the front. All right, so we're gonna try to see if we could get this rolling, but first we got to measure it. All right, and this actually stretches and locks in place. These things lock in place, and we're gonna do that. I'm gonna put the camera down so you guys can see how I do everything. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I'm gonna measure this from here to here. I'm gonna lock it in place. So this will move in. There we go. Move it just a little bit, make sure it's all curved in. I think I have to move it just a little bit more. Safety purposes, don't use sandals, use boots or shoes. All right, so this is for a demo only. All right, push it back. Get that push back here. There we go. Oh yeah. Gotta lock it in place. There we go. Oh yeah, this is much easier. There we go. Put some weight in the front. This is actually really good. I like these. I gotta do is push forward, and then it's gonna hit the top. But it's really simple. I thought it was gonna be harder, but I'm actually very impressed with it. I can rotate it anywhere I want now. I have wheels in the back, that's why. So it'd be much easier to move this thing. So I can bring it forward back easy. Recommendation, guys, is maybe getting this a little bit higher, and second thing, maybe getting a second person to help you out so you're tucking this in, because it's not a one-man person, it's a two-man crew. But as you can see, I'm able to pull the weight forward now and move it. You can see all the weight on it, even the back of it. I'm a little afraid of this. I gotta tuck it in some more, but to putting it together is not that hard. I'm doing this by myself. Don't recommend one person, especially heavy stuff like this. Let it drop a little bit more, but it could carry up to 1,500 pounds on this stuff. Amazing. While I have it out here, I might just change out the wheels too. You know, I like the whole thing, the whole concept itself. This is about 400 pounds. This whole setup, 400 pounds, well, close to 400. But like I said, recommendation, have 2 people do this, because myself, it's a little dangerous to begin with. But you know, this Rhino cart, really sturdy, real strong. I'm putting it to a test. Those that have to do the same similar things, either a fridge or a washing machine, highly recommend this. I mean, it could do the job, but setting it up into the system, you're gonna need 2 people. But once you have it, if I had the center, it will be off the wheels in the back. I have wheels in the back, the good thing. If not, I would have to tuck in this a little bit further back, and I could take it any direction I want. So, you know what? This is a way better product than the other one I bought. I like it. The bottom of the system, right? It comes with 4 heavy-duty tires in the bottom. It's all plastic reinforced, hard plastic reinforced. These tie downs are really flimsy. That's the only thing I'm a little concerned, but you know, they're holding up. If you saw my video how they open up this way, that was a little dangerous. That's why it's recommended 2 people doing it. There is some lock mechanisms that you need to set up. I'm not sure if I'm doing it properly. I'm reading the book, but it looks like this is the way. And in the picture and everything else, this is how it's set up. It could expand even larger, real large. I'm gonna put how many inches it could expand to, so you could have something really wide as a sofa I've seen, and as heavy as 1,500 pounds, like I said. So pretty much you can move almost a motor. Motors weigh a little bit more, but reinforced. This is kind of like a steel mixed with aluminum. I'm not quite sure what kind of metal is it, but it's strong, because I actually hit a lot of weight on it, and it hit pretty good. If you can see, it has some rubber ends here at these ends, so these are all like for grip, to so some kind of grip right there. But 1,500 pounds, about, let me see how many inches it could go. About 46 inches wide. That's pretty much what you have. And when you get it in the box, they give you instructions, simple instructions, which they give you instructions to go to the website. That's how the simple instructions. Pretty much on your own on this one. They actually waste more paper on the actual printout than the actual physical instructions. They should have some instructions off the bat, because if you're in a construction job and you have no signal or anything like that, this is not very good. So great to move bricks, cement, all sorts of things. I was gonna take it to Home Depot and start moving stuff, but you know, I don't want to wait. It's too much weight. So not that bad product. So I like it. It was able to move this forward, back, but like I said, I'm gonna need another person to help me out with this. So if you guys like it, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.